guys, I tried to delete my channel, but it wouldn't work, and I tried to private it, and it wouldn't work. But I really want to upload this video, and then I'm going to try to private it with my dad or something. I really wanted to record this video because I have got a Labubu! And I've also got another Labubu. I've got the Have a Seat and the Big Into Energy. So I want to open them. First, I've got Have a Seat. I really want to get Dada, or it's a pink one there. Or I want to get, I don't know what the name is. Baba. Dada or Baba is the ones I want, or the Secret. I kind of don't want one with eyes closed, but let's just see what I get. Okay, so put you guys there. Okay, let's open it. Let's go. I got Cece! She's so cute! Her eyes are closed, but she's still stupid cute. She's so cute! I love her. I'm going to put her on my bag. I love her! She's so cute! Oh my god. She's so cute. So this is Cece. Oh, she's got a little Labubu in her foot. I hope that doesn't mean she's a fake. If it's a fake, I didn't really care, but because it's still super cute. And I don't know why people are going around saying, oh, it's a fake. You shouldn't you should throw it away, it's a fake. Girl, at least I have one. Okay, now we're big into energy. I'm excited about this one. Okay, so these are all the ones you can get. I want happiness or loyalty. I hope I don't get hope or love, because love, it has like the red eyes and it will literally look like a devil. Hope, I don't want to hope because I'm really like the colour. So yeah, I kind of want just this bottom row or the Secret. The Secret, I have a small chance of getting that though. No. I got the Secret! Oh my god, I got the Secret! Ah! These are my two Labubus. They're so cute! I love them! Okay, so... Oh, it says like pot marked white on here. You might not see it because it's a bit blurry. Face. No, it's a bit scratched, but that's okay. I don't care. Ears. Keychain. You are so cute! I don't know what your name is though. I have no idea what your name is, so can someone put it in the comments so I can know. So yeah, these are my two Labubus. And I'm obsessed. When I get money, I'm going to try and look for more. Although I am in the UK where they are banned because people have been like crazy over these things. Honestly, I don't blame them. They are so cute. Some people think these are scary. I wouldn't say they're that scary. The teeth are a bit scary, but I'd say, hold on, let's like just cut out the teeth. Okay, maybe put the teeth back in. I don't think she's really scary, and you're not scary at all. So yeah, I'm so happy I got the Secret, and when I got CC, their heads do twist, but not as bad. I don't think that means they're fake straight away though. So yeah, those are my two Labubus. Bye!